So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to know a fruit that is very healthy that Mika loves? Yeah, a tomato. Today, you and I are gonna draw a tomato. First, I'm gonna start with the color green. Yeah, for the leaves and stem. All right, let's draw an arch like this. Ooh, and let's draw some, whoa, pointy things. Whoa, there we go. And then the stem. Whoa! So we have leaves in the stem, and then what color are tomatoes? Yeah, red. All right, now let's draw a big circle. Wow, now it's starting to look like a tomato, right? I know. All right, let's draw some wide eyes. Whoa, and a very wide mouth. Whoa, what a cute tomato. He is so happy. He's probably happy because he's very healthy. Whoa. All right, well, if you want to draw more with me, more really fun things like this, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Blippi, come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, so much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
What's better than a delicious piece of fruit? You're right, Debo. Vegetables are yummy too. I wonder, what's the difference between fruits and vegetables? Super suggestion! We'll go into that garden to figure it out. I'm gonna need wings and a grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Okie dokie, artichoke. Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. All right, we're in a community garden where all kinds of fruits and vegetables grow. And look, there's one right now.
Step right up. You're the next contestants on Slim Cucumber's Certified Fresh Game Show.
Fruit or vegetable?
Tell us your names.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Now, Blippi and Debo, a quick review before we start. All fruits have a pit or seeds in them and grow on a plant with flowers.
Fruits have pits or seeds, and always flowers. Got it.
And vegetables are different. There are root and leaves.
Got that too.
Excellent. Let's play. Tell me, Blippi, is this carrot a fruit or...
Ooh, the carrot is a vegetable because it's a root and has leaves.
That's right! But can Blippi go 2 for 2? So tell me, is this tomato a fruit or a vegetable?
This is tough. Okay, a tomato grows from a plant, but it has seeds. It's also a vegetable?
Oh, sorry, tomato is a fruit. Now, your final question, Blippi. Can you tell me if this strawberry is a fruit or vegetable?
Strawberry is a fruit.
Yes, strawberry is a fruit, and you gave 2 correct answers, which means this trophy is all yours!
Wow, thanks, Mr. Slim. And I also have the answer to my question. What's the difference between fruits and vegetables? Vegetables are roots and leaves, and fruits have flowers and a pit or seeds. Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Mr. Slim.
Congrats to you, Blippi. That's our game. I'm Slim the Cucumber, and by the way, I'm a fruit. Tune in next time for our special guest, Madam Mango, on Fruit or Vegetable.